A sum doubles in 8 years at compound interest. In how many years will the sum become 4 times the original sum if the interest is compounded annually? Now it is being compounded annually. The formula is A is equal to P into bracket 1 plus R by 100 raised to N. Now the sum doubles in 8 years. So if we are investing P as 100, the amount becomes double, that is 200. So substituting these values here and N equal to 8, we get the equation as 200 is equal to 100 into bracket 1 plus R by 100 raised to 8. So we get the equation as 2 is equal to 1 plus R by 100 raised to 8. Now we want the sum to become 4 times. So now the amount will become 400. So now substituting these values, we get 400 is equal to 100 into bracket 1 plus R by 100 raised to N. Now, if we cancel the zeros again, we get the equation as 4 is equal to 1 plus R by 100 raised to N. Now, this is the equation we want, and this is the equation which we have got. Now, in such questions, the left-hand side over here will always be a power of the number over here. Now, 4 is nothing but 2 square. So, if we square both sides of this equation, we will get on the left-hand side 4. That's what we want over here. So, if we square this thing, so let's do it. So, over here, we are squaring it. And over here, we are squaring it again. So, on the left-hand side, we get 4. And on the right-hand side, if we use the laws of indices, now we need to know the laws of indices over here. If a raised to m bracket raised to n is there, we'll do a raised to m multiplied by n. So here it is bracket raised to 2. So therefore it will become 8 into 2, that is 16. So 1 plus r by 100 raised to 16. Now if we compare these two equations, we will see that the left hand side is equal, and therefore equating the right hand side, we get n is equal to 16. Now this is one way of doing it. The other way of doing it is by understanding this concept. So P gets doubled in 8 years. So every 8 years, it will get double. So after 8 years, we are having 2P. After 8 more years, it will again become double. So it will become 4P. That's what we want. We want 4 times. So the total time for becoming 4 times is 8 years plus 8 years. That is 16 years. So our answer is option A.